Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance update, our Binance MXC and 3 commas update. So what we will do is we will go straight over to those charts. Here we go. Yeah, just a quick update anyway, but yeah, we'll just have to have a quick look at Sora. Just look at this chart in all its beauty. Yeah, that's it. We'll just take a moment to look at that, and now we will get that calculator out. Finally, Binance has decided to give me my money back, basically, and we're back in nice profit on Binance now. So we'll just give this a little bit of a refresh. And we've got an ever increasing amount of USDT as well that we are building up from the profit taken. So we've got like a quarter of a Bitcoin. So that is actually a third of the total value of this account is actually sat in Tether. So it's gonna have to find a home. So yeah, we'll add that. So 0.794. Add that to our MXC assets, which is it's nice to see a 2x, guys. If it was just the MXC challenge, we would be done and dusted, and on our way to making 4 bitcoins from 2 bitcoins in about 20 days. Would have been madness, but we'll get there. Just take us a bit longer. So we'll add 0.528. Add 0.528. So yeah, we're on 1.322. So we are nearly a third of the way. So that is definitely good to see. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Where's that thing? Where's it gone? Here it is. Yeah, so nearly a third of the way, so that is pretty good. So yeah, not really much else to talk about. We picked up some Sora again. I have actually it's been quite volatile, this coin. So I have basically been selling in the high 40s, mid to high 40s, and then buying basically in the mid 30s, and just rinse and repeat. I'm obviously holding on this account I've not held a core position, but in obviously my normal trading accounts I've holding a core position. But yeah, that's working nicely, or work until it doesn't. So but yeah, so we've still got Sora. That Ample's not doing too well, but we didn't buy much of it because we knew it was a bit speculative. And yeah, .pcx and KSM is the one that I am watching quite closely, because I think it is going to get a pop. I think this is the coin. This is the one coin I'm watching that hasn't really been underperforming the other coins, and I think we've just got to get up to that $20. And I've got a lot of this coin. Because there's quite a few coins that haven't had massive pumps that I can actually buy into at the moment, with profits that I'm taking on other positions that are all pumping now. So yeah, that's it, guys. Binance update, doing well. Good to see. And I'll speak to you guys soon with the Bitcoin evening wrap.